Aussie Play Nature Blocks. Brand new for this year are the Aussie Play Nature Blocks. 100% Australian made movable playground equipment made right here in the Aussie Play factory. Our nature blocks are designed to live outdoors in the harsh Australian environment. Our specially manufactured HDPE is UV stable. Being made out of HDPE means that the nature blocks will not absorb moisture and will not rot. We use a specially made 3-layer panel which allows us to machine in decorative natural patterns such as this panel with grip for children. All nature blocks use stainless steel nuts and bolts and specially made stainless steel brackets, ensuring fasteners won't rust. Side panels have attachment points for our vast range of movable playground equipment pieces, with cutouts for our clip lock cleat for additional security. With a vast range of features such as this aluminium rust-proof ladder, peekaboo holes, tree-like cutouts for climbing grips, and this timber log-inspired tunnel, the children's imagination will run wild. Aussie Play Nature Blocks.